Hi guys, welcome back to my channel Wownetic and I'm Pallavi Das with you guys. So guys, आज का वीडियो होने वाला है एक नायका हॉल वीडियो. So अगर आप मेरे इंस्टाग्राम में मुझे फॉलो करते हो तो you must be knowing that my birthday was like 2-3 days back. So this is basically my birthday haul and I got everything due to my birthday. So I did splurged a lot. So I'm going to share with you what I got in this Nykaa haul. And Nykaa was having their hot pink sale, which is their biggest sale ever. So I couldn't stop myself and I bought a lot of things. So I have got this huge parcels. Still I have one more parcel left, so I don't know when it will be coming, so I thought to share whatever I got right now. And I'm going to share like first my skincare and then the makeup, because makeup I got a lot of stuff. The skincare is very less, so I thought to show the skincare first. And let's not further ado and let's get started with the video. So guys, as it was my birthday shopping, that is the reason I got stuff in this packaging. This is the birthday packaging, that's why I got these stuffs in this packaging. Otherwise you know what is the Nykaa packaging looks like. So I'm going to share first the skincare items which I got. So I'm opening the first box over here. And I did spend a lot, guys. Here is my skincare tub and I'm going to show you. They were having some amazing offers, that is the reason I got so much skincare. So the first thing I'm going to show you is this one. This is the Forest Essential Delicate Facial Cleanser in Mashobra, Honey, Lemon and Rose Water. And this is the 200 ml bottle. So guys, all the price and the detail, everything will be given in the description box, or I'll try to put it on the screen somewhere because I do not remember. So this is the first cleanser which I got. This is a face wash. I've already used the other one, that is the Kashmiri saffron one. My mother used it already. So this is for me, and obviously my mother can definitely use it. So this is how the bottle looks like. So this is how the bottle looks like. It's a huge bottle, you can see it's a 200 ml bottle, and it comes with a pump like this. And this smells really nice. I really like the smells of the Forest Essential products, so they really smell nice. And they were having some offer. I'll state the offer somewhere here. They were having an offer like buy this much and then you'll get some free stuff. So I also got this one. This is their gel scrub, and this is their revitalizing gel scrub in Kashmiri walnut, and this is a 50-gram product. And this is how the packaging looks like. The packaging is amazing. You can see it looks so luxurious, and the smell is also really nice. This is how the scrub looks like, and I've not yet used these skincare yet, so I will be reviewing these very soon, so stay tuned to my channel. So I'll just keep this inside, and with these I got this free. Here they have sent some sample sizes of their products to try. So the first one is their facial Upton Roop Nikhar Gulab. I already have the full size of this one. This is a really nice Upton. You can use it as a scrub, as a mask. It's really nice. So I already have a full size of this one. The next thing is their delicate facial cleanser. This is the Kashmiri saffron and neem. This was the one which I was using before, the full size one. So they did send the sample size again. And the next thing is there are two more things. This is their facial tonic mist. I already have so many minis of this thing. I've used it a lot, and maybe someday I'll get the full size of this one. This is really nice, guys. This just refreshes your skin like amazing, especially in this hot summer weather. You'll really need this. This is really nice. And the last thing which I got free is their light hydrating facial gel. This is pure aloe vera. So this is the small tub they sent us. This is a gel of aloe vera. So let me see, I'll use it, and if I like it then I might get the full size. Got in the skincare is this Clinique Moisture Surge. I really wanted to try this out. This is really nice for oily skin, and I have oily skin, like really bad oily skin. So this is the 50 ml tub, and this is how it looks. So this is a 50 ml tub, and with this also we had an offer, like if you buy something around 2000 or something, then you will get a mini lipstick free. It can be a lipstick or blush or anything. So moisturizer, Clinique Moisture Surge, I got this Clinique small mini lipstick free, and this is in the shade Plum Pop, and this is not a matte lipstick, this is a cream lipstick, but the size is really cute. Like you can see, this is so cute, like it's like smaller than my palm also. You can easily travel with this, keep in your pocket, in your purse, easily travel with this, and the amount you get is quite decent. The amount is quite decent, and I'll just show you the swatch of this. So this one is the swatch, the shade of this lipstick, and also there's one sachet free. This is their foundation sachet. So they gave a sample size of this one, so we'll definitely use this. So guys, that was all about the skincare. This tub is finished. So now let's come into the makeup. So I'm going to open this Chotu Wala tub first, and here I have some nail paints. And first I bought this one. This is the face razor. I used to use the Tinkle razor, but that was out of stock, so I thought to try this one. This is what's the name? This is some can. It's written over here. It's can razor. So this is the first time I'm using this type of razor. So I'll use it and I'll let you know how it works on my skin. And the next thing I got is 3 nail paints from K Beauty, and these are the 3 shades I got. This one I'm wearing right on my hands right now. This is the shade which I'm wearing right now. It's a really nice mint green color shade. It's really beautiful. And this one is a nude shade. This shade name is Seabed 05. It's a very beautiful color. And the next nude shade which I got is Rocky Road 23, and this is a proper nude shade. It will look very pretty in the daytime when you're going for office and all. You can really use this. And the next shade which I got is for my mother specially, and this is the shade Wine Berry 30. This is a berry kind of shade. I'll try to insert pictures of this. My mother is already wearing, so I'll try to capture and stick the picture over here, or on Instagram story you can check it. So this is a really nice berry kind of shade. So that was the next box. So the last box is really heavy because I have a lot of makeup in this. So few of the makeup stuff I have bought earlier, so I did not avail a lot of offer that time. So I'm going to show you few of the stuff which I got earlier. That is, first is like a very pretty palette, which is this one, Too Faced Pretty Rich palette. I had my eye on this for a really long time, and at last I got it. So this is the Pretty Rich Too Faced palette. And guys, the packaging is so beautiful, guys. Just wait. So this is the packaging, and see this one, this tiny little heart. It's so cute. So this is packaging, and you open it like this. You get a mirror over here. It's a very chotu mirror. I wish they had a full-size mirror, but the shades, you can see, they are so pretty. They have glitter shades, some mattes, and some shimmer shades. They have some really pretty shades. On my eyes I'm wearing one of the glitter, that is Diamond for breakfast, which is this one right over here. This one shade I'm wearing on my eyelids today. So I'll just show you some swatches of some of my favorite colors from here. You can see the pigmentation is really great and so beautiful. So that was the first eyeshadow palette which I got from Too Faced. Okay, so the next thing which I got, like before this sale was there, so the next thing which I got is the Too Faced Diamond Light. This is their highlighter, and guys, the packaging. The packaging is like, you get this thing, and like it is a very nice thing to give to your special one. Like, just see, and this is the highlighter. Can you just see the packaging? So beautiful, and this is in the shade this is in the shade Canary Diamond, and this is a golden highlighter with pink reflects, so it's really beautiful. Like, this is the highlighter. Just show you. So this is the shade right here. It's really beautiful. It's not like bang on highlighter, but it's really subtle and smooth. So another thing which I got before the sale is this MAC blush, and this is in the shade Pinch Me. I have already used this blush, and this is really nice. It performs really well on my skin, and this is a dusty peachy kind of shade, if you can see. It's a really beautiful dusty peachy kind of shade. Really pretty, really good for medium to dusky skin tones. It will look really beautiful. The next thing which I got is this foundation. This is the NYX Can't Stop Won't Stop foundation. This I got really long back, but I didn't show it, so I thought to show it over here. And this is a foundation which I'm wearing right now. It gives a full coverage, guys. And this is a little bit dark on my skin, but obviously I can manage it with a brightening concealer and powder. And the shade I got is golden. So this is how it looks. Really nice foundation. If you're a oily skin person, then you can definitely give it a try, because it's a matte foundation and it's full coverage. And I will be definitely reviewing this in details really soon, so stay up for that as well. So I got two concealers. This is the NYX Can't Stop Won't Stop concealer, and this is a basically backup. I already have my pack concealer, it's finished, and this is a backup for that. And this is in the shade 09 Melon, and this is the Can't Stop Won't Stop concealer, and this is little bit light, but I can definitely manage it. It has a really nice golden undertone to it, and this is a concealer which I'm wearing right now, and this is the shade True Beige. So it has a really nice golden undertone to it, so it matches my skin really well. So this was few stuff which I got before the sale, and in sale you can get in a huge discount and really well. And on sale I got this beauty from Too Faced. It is their Chocolate Soleil bronzer. It is this one, and again the packaging of Too Faced is to die for. They have some really amazing packaging, guys. And this is how the bronzer looks like. So again you get this love shape over here, and it looks like a jewel case, kind of like those we used to get, those jewelry case. It looks like that only. And this is how the bronzer looks like. It's a beautiful bronzer, guys. I have tried it yesterday, and it's a beautiful bronzer. It just gives that amazing sun-kissed look, and it blends super easily. And also you get a full-size mirror right here. And guys, this smells so good. This smells like chocolate, guys. Trust me, you're just going to sniff it all the time, and it's really amazing, guys. Okay, so they had some offer, like if you buy for some amount you get a mini lipstick and a lip balm free, but I had already got Too Faced product really before, and I already have the concealer as well. So I did not get that free product, but I got their sample size primer. This is a sample primer. It is their Hangover X primer. So I'm going to try this, and if I like it, then I'm definitely going to buy the full size, though I'm not a very big fan of this one. Let's see. So guys, the next thing I got is from Huda Beauty, and this is not my first purchase. I already have their liquid eyeshadows, and this time I got their lipsticks, and they had an offer. If you buy for 2000, you get a full size lipstick for free. That is the reason I got two lipsticks. So the first one is this liquid lipstick in the shade Trendsetter. So this is a very famous lipstick from Huda Beauty's liquid lipstick range, and this shade is so pretty, guys. Like, I have seen so many YouTube vloggers, like especially Malvika, she has raved about this product. Also, if you know Anandita Chakravarti, she's also a very famous YouTuber. She also raves about this product. It is one of her favorite nude lipsticks, and I'll just show you the swatch of this one. So this is the shade. You can see it's such a beautiful brown nude. It's so beautiful, guys. Like, this is going to look good almost on every skin tone. Like, not a very dark skin tone, but from light to fair to medium to dusky skin tone, it will look really nice. Like, so beautiful, and I really love these kind of brown nudes. Next lipstick which I got is from Huda Beauty. It is their Power Bullet lipstick, and this is in the shade Wedding Day. This also I have used it yesterday. I'm not wearing this one today, and this is how the shade looks like. The packaging is really classy, really nice. It has a magnetic closure, you can see, and this is in the shade Wedding Day, and it's a muted pink mauvey kind of with a gray undertone. And I'll just show you the swatch. So one swipe pigmentation, guys. So this is the shade Wedding Day. This is going to look good on fair to medium skin tones. It's really nice, but I don't think so dusky people will look good in this shade, as it has a little gray undertone, a cool tone undertone, so it might not look good on dusky skin tones. And the free product which I got with these two are this full size lipstick from Huda Beauty. It is from their Demi Matte range, but I really wanted to try this from a really long time, and I got it free. So first I was thinking that they'll give some pale color or like something like that, but they gave a really nice color, guys. This is in the shade Shikha, if I'm not wrong, and this is how the lipstick color looks like. It has a really nice packaging. This is like a black glossy finish, and here it's transparent. And I'll just show you the swatch of this. This is a really nice plum color. It will really suit my mother. Like, she really likes these kind of colors. And this is the shade right over here. It's not very plum, it's kind of a nude pink with a plum undertone. So this is the color right here, Shikha, and this is really nice. It's not matte. If you're not a matte kind of person, you can definitely go for this one. Otherwise, if you love matte lipsticks, then you can definitely go for the Huda Beauty matte lip shades, liquid lipsticks. So this was a free gift, and who doesn't love free gift, guys? And the last two thing, it is the last of this haul, and it was a big haul, but this is the last two things that I got are these two pack brushes. uh, these two are the pack brushes which I got. The first one is a contour brush. I did not have a contour brush like this. It's like really nice, flat, with a really chiseled place, and it's not very stiff. I had a contour brush which is very stiff, so it that blends the cream contours really well. But this one I got for my powder contours, and this is going to go like straight over here. It's going to give nice contour shape. So this is the one, and this is number pack 380. And I have seen Aishwarya Ravi telling this a very nice brush. That is the reason I got this brush, because this gives a really nice finish. So this is how the brush looks like, a dual ended stippling brush, dual fiber stippling brush. So this is a really nice soft brush to apply your blush with it and to mix it really well with the contour. So this is in the number 306. So I have seen a lot of YouTubers using this, so I thought to give this a try, and I'm going to definitely use this in my upcoming tutorials. I'm going to use this brush surely. So this is really nice. That was all about the haul, and I hope you enjoyed this haul. I really got quite a lot of products, and obviously because it was my birthday and I did splurge a lot. I had that right. So never mind, I'm not showing off anything. I genuinely love watching hauls, so I am sure even you people would love watching hauls. And this was the thing which I got from the hot pink sale from Nykaa, and they're having some amazing deals. They're also going to come up with their sale, I guess, in the Independence Day. So if you guys like anything from here, then you can definitely get it for yourself. So guys, the package which is left that I'm going to show on my Instagram. So if you're not following me on in my Instagram, then do follow me over here. And if you like this video, then do subscribe to my channel, and also do not forget to hit the bell icon beside it so you do not miss any video that I upload. And guys, I have seen like many people watch my video but they do not subscribe. So guys, it's a hearty request to you guys to subscribe to my channel so that I can bring more good quality videos for you guys. And yeah, if you like this haul, and if you like any product, then do comment down. And if you want me to review any of these products, then do comment that as well, and give a big thumbs up to my video, because it takes a lot of mehnat to make one video. So yeah, till then, stay healthy and stay beautiful.